Go.
Let's go.
One chance.
Go.
Stop, we need more water. Go, go.
Go,
Jake, go.
Go. You better not.
You're taking her time.
Don't let.
That's
Don't
so
let.
up.
Oh my gosh, this is so.
Ah!
Jake, go. Hurry up. She's eating the food.
Stop, that's me.
Jake, stop.
Stop it over
Move.
Bruh, Melanie,
Ah!
Jake, go. That's how it is. It is.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Stop eating. Stop eating.
Hey! Ah!
Go, Jake.
Move! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
I'm hungry.
Ah! Go, roll it! Get out!
Told you.
Oh.
Okay, move out!
Cheating. You should be in the back, Uncle. Go in the back. Go
Go
in
in
the
the
back.
back, Jake, go in the back.
Bruh.
Move! Move!
Go, Jake. Go. Go. He still wants the whole thing. No, you gotta go in. Move. Jake, you gotta come in the back. Go. Go, Jake. Go, go, go.
Because you gotta go in the back first.
Ah!
Go.
Go, Jake.
Okay, that's the other way.
Oh.
That's what was up.
Ah!
Hurry up! My dad's gonna eat all the food. I will be hungry and starving.
Lucky.
Okay, go.
No.
It's
I'm
okay.
hungry.
That's a lot.
Go, go. I get Get out!
Get out!
Ah!
You guys move back.
Oh, go straight.
Oh my god.
Jake, run in the back. Ah! Run in the back, Jake. No!
Yeah, bro. Craig's gonna eat it all. Everyone's gonna eat it all.
Bruh.
Ah!
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 Oh, get out. Please make her out.
Oh,
Touch her eyes.
Ah! I need the breathy next time. Rolling this thing every day. Ah, move!
Don't choke.
Oh. Move! Hey, milkshake.
You better hurry.
Yeah, you feel hungry.
Go. I didn't even get to eat. When you got to eat,
My God! Ah!
everyone
Lucky.
gotta eat.
Hey!
Aw.
You better go like this, Jake. Hey! Hey!
Get a bite.
I'm never gonna eat it.
You got it, bud.
You got it.
Hey!
Trying to pick burger.
Paano kaya, Paiji? Grammy.
You
got this,
You
Jake.
got it, Jake. Confident.
Go a little bit, Jiggy.
You got it.
Melanie's a confident.
Okay, Jiggy. Keep going.
Slowly, take your time. Hey! I'm so good. I find the rhythm. I find the...
You got it. You're too high.
Go slowly.
Whoa.
Go.
Slowly. Nah.
Oh, I did that too hard.
Yeah, you got him. That's the rhythm. Ah.
Uncle. What?
Ah!
Pretty sure Marley's one.
Not on the house. Ah, yeah.
It's the table. It keeps slipping. Stop eating! Stop eating the burger! Mom. Get out! Gosh, what is with you with burgers?
Stop eating that.
But she only just got an A.
Oh, you're close. Love it.
Try again.
Oh, yay.
Bro ate all this burger. You're the one that ate all the burgers, bro. Don't do it too hard. If you do it too hard, it's gonna spin all the way.
It's confusing me.
So a
You
little
kept-
bit.
Guys,
That was it.
Yeah, that one, but
See, you were really close.
Oh.
Huh? I need a drink. You got it, Jake. Get out.
Get two tries.
Yeah.
You can get two.
Take
fine.
it, get your try.
you can do that. One more. Slowly. Slowly. Go like this. Look. Like that, slowly.
Maybe it's too heavy.
Yep.
Oh,
One more.
One more. Oh.
Can it count?
Yeah, that can count. Let him.
Down, down.
Drop the milkshake. Drop. Oh! Jake! What? Your brother hasn't eaten all day.
Yeah, you can get enough to that, dude.
Joke! Bro,
Don't choke.
Oh!
You better take your time, kid. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Ah!
Hindi ang bakaro ko boy. At chocolate. Ang bukod
That's
mo.
because Melanie had like 1.5.
Huh?
Go! Go!
No, you only eat four.
I know, but she ate most of them.
Yeah, I know. You
I
eat
was
four.
hungry.
Careful. Oh.
It's okay. At least you ate a lot of time, bro. No, you can't go too tight. That's unfair. I'm kind of full though.
Oh. Hurry.
Ah!
Go back.
Ay,
Oh. Okay. I think it's over. Melanie's
over.
gonna finish.
No, Uncle, not too dry.
No, that one is like next one. I'm trying to find the rhythm.
Oh yeah, you should do try.
Oh! Somebody is on fire. Sorry. Mine is bouncing off.
Ah!
Okay, I'm stopping it.
No!
Okay.
close. So close again.
Ah, chumuli. Why you bring only 2 hamburger?
Stop eating.
Can we go get Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A's closed.
Stop eating.
Go to another one.
Why you bring only,
Closes at
Marco Chili, why you bring only 2 hamburger?